All right, guys, we're out here with the crazy Kakuka, and we're gonna do our 5-mile ride. So let's do it. All right, we're on our way with the Kukula. Kakuka. Do our 5 miles on this Kakuka. I might have to adjust the seat a little, I'm not sure. It's taking this hill pretty easy. Got the pedal assist going on. It's a little windy. We'll check our voltage when we get done the 5 miles. And see where we're at. Oh, this wind around here for the last 2 weeks has been just unbelievable. 40, 50 miles an hour non-stop. Today's probably 30. Ugh. Okay, so you see the speed of this bike. It's only like 14 something. I tried messing around with some of the P settings, but I wound up putting them back. It didn't do any good. So this is the mileage. This is what you're gonna get right here. This 15 miles an hour. I'll tell you what, the day I got this out, the door, out of the box, checked it out, took it out to ride it up and down the street, and it was going like 19 miles an hour. You know? I have no idea what happened. Never did that again. Never did that again. Now it's like 14. No dice. So this is what you're getting, the 14.6. And on mechanical it says it's 16, but it's only doing like, I think it's about 15 actually. Just got to deal with it. It's a Kakuka, okay? You're getting a Kakuka. That's what you're getting. Oh, I wish this wind would let up. Good Lord. Even with these wind muffs on the microphones, it's still terrible. I kind of really like these 16-inch bikes. I kind of feel that it's a really nice size for somebody my size, my height, my midgetness. You know, it's just a real nice size here that you can maneuver, and you know, you can handle. It's really easy to handle the 16-inchers. Really like these. Wish I could find more of them. I got a few, but not many. I got the Ancheer 16 and this one. I like the 20s also. I love the 14s, don't get me wrong, but like I said in that other video, they're not really bikes. They're just scooters with the pedals on them. Let's see what's happening in plasma. So we're almost at 2 miles. The seat's definitely too low. I gotta definitely raise this seat. Yep, this is the speed you're gonna get out of this thing. This is about it, right here. Well, I haven't attempted yet to get the thing open, the battery compartment, but I think I'm going to try that tonight while I'm watching TV. I think I'll fart around with this for a bit, try to get that open. So basically what this is a Jetson as far as speed goes. That's what you're getting with this. You're getting Jetson speed. Let me pull over here for a second and put my damn gloves on. My fingertips are getting cold. It's like 45, I think. Not too bad, but you know, your fingertips start getting cold after a minute. This bike is especially hard to get the seat to stay up. For some reason, it doesn't stay up for very long. It will slide down eventually, no matter how, I don't care how tight you get that thing. You can have, you know, King Kong tighten that thing up. And eventually that thing's dropping down. See, it takes longer to do these 5-mile test rides with this bike because it's so slow. Okay, the faster the bike, the faster you can go the 5 miles. If I had the Nomad going down 27 miles an hour, I could knock that 5 miles out in no time. But with this thing going 13 and a half or 14, it takes forever. Yeah, this bike is quite slow, so I'm probably going to be getting rid of this thing shortly. Better off for some younger person, you know, the parents don't want them going too fast. This is perfect for them, okay? They won't get hurt. They take it out on the trail once or do the range test. Oh yeah, I forgot about the range test. Well, the range test, it'll have to wait until it gets a little bit warmer. Then I'll get rid of it. I'll sell it after that. Okay, so we're at 4.4, but let me check the Relive app and see what our mileage is real quick. Let me check that. That thing works very good for the mileage. Not always great for the, it always has the speed is off with that thing, but the mileage, it's pretty spot on when it comes to how many miles you went. It says 4.3. This this GPS thing says 4.4. So let me see what my voltage is. 39.3. Okay. But under load it's 37. So yeah, you always got to check your voltage when it's under the load. Not when it's idling, you know, when you let off the throttle. You want to check the voltage while you have the throttle down, not when it's off. When the throttle's down, that's the real voltage. It's the voltage under load. It's what you want to know. Because that's what you need to go, is voltage under load. Okay, so that's how that works. You know, you look at the thing and go, oh, look, I got the, 42 volts. Then you pull the throttle in all the way, and then you got 35, and you're like, oh, I'm walking. Okay, I'm at 37.6 under this load. Okay, so I'm going to start heading back now because I'm done with my trip. I'm done with my 5-mile cruise, so I'm heading back to the garage. It's not that bad a bike, it's just not that fast, okay? I mean, it's the way it is. Got real nice brakes. All right, guys, we made it back. All right, yay. 5.0 miles right on the nose. You see that? Okay, so we'll finish that up right now. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.